In this course, I'll help you boost the sales conversion rate of whatever you're selling. Whether you're selling products on a platform like Amazon, Etsy, or eBay, or you have a Shopify site where you sell products, or you have a website to which most people come through the home page.
This video is brought to you by Appy's Academy.
I'll show you both how to increase sales on your sales pages, and if people are coming to your homepage and you need them to email you, call you, or book a consultation, I'll walk you through for how to do what you need to do to boost the sales conversion rate, which means that you won't have to get more traffic to get more sales. It's just that a larger number of people will do what you need them to do. And I'll be showing you how to do everything through screen sharing so you can follow along as I go and begin to see results as early as the same day that you get the course, because you don't need to be technical to implement these strategies, and you can literally start implementing them and seeing results extremely early. Of course, I can't promise you'll see results so early that it's the same day, but it's possible. My name is Alex Kinedinik, and I've been selling successfully online for over a decade. All sorts of products. Amazon products, products from my own website, services, B2B products, digital products, physical products, mobile apps. I know how to sell online, and I've been doing that not only for myself, but also for my clients. Over the years, I've had over 1,000 coaching clients, and many of them I've helped to sell as well, including an 8-figure seller on Amazon. So in this course, what I'll be doing, I'll be literally walking you through every single element of either a sales page for a product or service, or your home page, to boost the effectiveness of that element, literally every element, because if there's anything on your page which does not boost your sales conversion rate, it should be taken out. It's not serving any purpose. Everything should work succinctly together, and I'll be literally walking you through every possible element, the title, the subtitle, the credibility piece, the social proof, etc., etc. There's going to be a lot to do, and you can do most of it in just 1 or 2 or a few days. So if you're selling anything online, boosting your sales conversion is one of the must topics. So invest in yourself, invest in your future, enroll today, and let's begin.